The solar system. The solar system was formed 4.6 billion years ago. The solar system, consisting of Sun, which is an average star in the Milky Way galaxy, and bodies orbiting around it, the 8 planets, with about 210 more planetary satellites, which in general we call it as Moon, and countless asteroids, comets, and other icy bodies. The Sun is the solar system star and its most massive component, located at the center of the solar system and influencing the motion of all other bodies through its gravitational force. Its mass is 3,32,900 Earth masses, which comprises of 99.86% of all the masses in the solar system. It releases an enormous amount of energy which it radiates into the space as electromagnetic radiation, peeking in as visible light. These 8 planets are divided into 2 parts, the terrestrial or the inner planet and the outer planet or the Jovian planets. The 4 terrestrial or the inner planets, the Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These are dense planets with rocky compositions, with few or no moons at all, and they don't have ring system. Outer planets, the giant planets or the Jovian planets, are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They collectively make up to 99% of the mass known to orbit the Sun. Mercury. Mercury is 60 million kilometers from the Sun. It is the closest planet to the Sun, the smallest planet in the solar system. It is nearly 0.055 Earth mass. Mercury has no natural satellite. Mercury is the fastest planet. It takes 88 Earth days to revolve around the Sun. Venus. Venus is 100 million kilometers from the Sun. It is close in size to the Earth, which is around 0.815 Earth mass. Like Earth, it has thick silicate mantle around an iron core and substantial atmosphere, and has evidence of internal geological activities. Venus has no natural satellites. It is the hottest planet with surface temperature of around 400 degrees centigrade. Earth, our home planet. Earth is nearly 150 million kilometers from the Sun. It is the largest and the densest of the inner planet, the only one to have current geological activities and the only planet or the place where life is known to exist. Earth's atmosphere is radically different from those of other planets. It has one natural satellite, the Moon, the only large satellite of the terrestrial planets in the solar system. It's also the only planet in the solar system with liquid water on the surface. Mars. Mars is 220 million kilometers from the Sun. It is smaller than Earth and Venus. It's nearly 0.107 Earth mass. It has an atmosphere of mostly carbon dioxide. It's red in color because of the iron oxide, which is the rust in its soil. Mars has 2 tiny natural satellites. Jupiter. Jupiter is 780 million kilometers from the Sun, and it's about 380 Earth masses. It's nearly 2.5 times the masses of all other planets put together. It is composed largely of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter's strong internal heat creates semi-permanent features in its atmosphere such as the cloud bands and the Great Red Spot. Jupiter has 80 known satellites. Out of them, the 4 largest are Ganymede, Callisto, Io, and Europa. Ganymede is the largest satellite in the solar system. It is larger than Mercury. Saturn. Saturn is 1.42 billion kilometers from the Sun. It is nearly 95 Earth masses. It is distinguished by its extensive ring system. Saturn is the only planet on the solar system that is less dense than water. The rings of Saturn are made up of small ice and rock particles. Saturn has 83 confirmed satellites, which are composed largely of ice. Uranus. Uranus is 2.87 billion kilometers from the Sun. It is 14 Earth masses in size. It is the lightest of the outer planet. One speciality of this planet is it orbits the Sun on its side. That is, it rotates at nearly 90-degree angle from its plane of its orbit. It has much colder cores than other giant planets. Uranus has 27 known satellites. Neptune. Neptune is 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. It is 17 Earth masses in size. Though it is slightly smaller than Uranus, it has more mass and hence it is more dense. It radiates more internal heat than Uranus, but not as much as Jupiter and Saturn. Neptune has 14 known satellites. Kuiper Belt. In this diagram we can see Sun, Earth and the planetary region, and the Kuiper Belt is after this planetary region. The Kuiper Belt is large ring consisting mainly of objects composed of primarily of ice. It extends between 4.5 and 7.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. It is composed mainly of small solar system bodies and the dwarf planets. Pluto. The dwarf planet Pluto is 5.8 billion kilometers from the Sun. It is the largest known object in the Kuiper Belt. It was discovered in 1930. It was considered to be the 9th planet. But this changed in 2006 with the adoption of the formal definition of planet. Charon is the largest of Pluto's moon.